The single flammed mill. Why is it called the single flam mill? I don't know, because there's no double flam mill. If I were king, it would just be the flammed mill. But I'm not king, so it's the single flam mill. Now, can you play a flam tap? Can you play a Swiss Army triplet? Then a single flam mill, we're just adding another tap. So here's a flam tap, flam tap. Swiss Army triplet, flam tap plus 1. Flam mill is a flam tap plus 1 plus 2. That's it. So a right flam and then another right note. Okay, it's an accented diddle, so put a little weight on it. Don't play too hard. Right, right, left, right. So this rudiment alternates. The next one's going to be left, left, right, left. The single flam mill. Let's work on this one nice and slow. So what you want to do is practice speed slowly. What? What does that mean, John? I tell you. Practice slowly the same way you're going to play it fast. So we want to work on our technique slowly, so then all we do is speed it up. And it's just a matter of speeding up. We don't have to change anything. So with that said, on the diddle, let it bounce. That very first right, right, after the grace note, let that bounce. Even if it's slow, let it bounce. Because when we go fast, it needs to bounce. So practice slowly the same thing. Bounce, 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 bounce. Practice speed slowly. The single flam mill.